Will insurance replace my roof after a storm in Florida? If a storm just hit your home, you're probably asking, will my insurance pay to replace the roof? The answer depends on your policy, the age of your roof, and how quickly you take action. Let's walk through it together. Step 1. Document the damage. First, document the damage. Take clear, time-stamped photos of missing shingles, ceiling stains, or fallen branches. Save receipts for any quick fixes, like tarps. This proof is the first thing insurance companies look for. Next, get a professional damage assessment. A licensed roofer can identify damage you might miss and give you a realistic estimate of repair costs. At Affordable Roofing Systems, we provide free inspections that help you understand what you're dealing with before talking to insurance. Then, file your claim quickly. Florida law gives you up to a year, but most policies require notification within 30 to 60 days, and waiting makes approval harder. Not all policies pay the same. With ACV, or actual cash value, the insurance company pays only what your roof is worth today. So the older it is, the less you get. With RCV, or replacement cost value, your insurer pays the full cost to replace the roof, minus your deductible, once the work is done. Knowing which type you have makes a huge difference. Florida used to require a full replacement if more than 25% of your roof was damaged. Since 2022, newer code-compliant roofs may only qualify for partial repairs. Older roofs may still fall under the old rule. Storm damage doesn't always guarantee a new roof, but with the right documentation and a licensed roofer, you'll know what's covered and what comes next. At Affordable Roofing Systems, we've been helping Tampa homeowners restore and protect their homes for over 30 years. Our team offers free roof inspections, insurance-ready estimates, and GAF-certified repairs built to last. Call 813-542-8462 or visit us at affordableroofingflorida.com today to schedule your free inspection. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.